Hello, welcome back to my channel Live with Sudipta. It's a very beautiful day because today I'm off for some retail therapy during the summer season. Welcome to Dubai Hills Mall. It is a family-friendly destination with plenty of things to do and attraction for visitors. And if you are a shopaholic like me, then watch this video till the end. This mall is located in Dubai Hills Estate, within the immediate vicinity. There are numerous residential developments. Its prominent road links, inclusive of Suqeim Street and Khail Road, which means it can be accessed from downtown Dubai, Dubai Marina, Emirates Hills and Arabian branches. This mall features 650 shops and restaurants, a roller coaster, an adventure park and much more. We'll not waste much time. Let's explore the inside view of this mall. This place is so happening. You can see it has a great positive vibes. Such a stunning structure. The architectural design of this mall makes it one of the unique structure in Dubai. Find out some cute Instagrammable spot where I can spend some time with my little one. If you want to restyle your wardrobe, this is definitely your place because they have all the latest brands under one roof. High-end fashion brands to multiple dining options and multiple avenue of entertainment like Roxy Cinema. This is the place to be. Isn't it a great idea? Sit back in one of the Roxy Cinemas and enjoy the latest blockbuster in a relaxed ambience with a popcorn in hand with your family. This mall is your one-stop destination for an expansive selection of the best brands including fashion, accessories, beauty, home collections, interiors and many more. With its fashion-forward collection and electric pop-up shops, Dubai Hills Mall delivers a dynamic shopping experience that will make you come back for sure. Complementing the region's electric and timeless culture, Dubai Hills Mall offers restaurant and eateries featuring the very best international cuisine in a vibrant and dynamic setting. Don't you think it's a very cute place for your baby's day out?
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young.
No mall visit is complete without getting entertained and trying some games. So visit the adventure park and let your inner child free. You can enjoy unstoppable fun, exciting playgrounds and fun in motion games here. Allow your kids to explore the real adventure of this wonderland.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us
I hope you have enjoyed touring the mall with me. Undoubtedly, we had a super day in Dubai Hills Mall. Plan your visit now and immerse yourself in the ultimate shopping, dining and entertainment experience. Until then, it's me Sudipta signing off for the day. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.